Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Ring Video doorbell. Here's everything that comes in the box. Now this little bracket will pull off the back. You just kind of grab it. It'll pull off because the screws are not installed yet. This is where you're going to charge it. So there is an internal battery in here, and to charge it, you're going to charge it with USB, micro USB, which only goes one way. There's a smaller side and a longer side. Put it in like that. Now you got to plug this into a wall outlet. So right here I have a USB-A output charger, and that it doesn't come with much charge. So that blue light's going to go all the way around till it's fully charged. So the first thing you want to do is get this fully charged up. Make sure in the box you find this marked B. It was kind of hidden in the box in the cardboard. These are for mounting. These are the other like wood screws, but make sure you find those little bitty ones. That's what this tool is for. Those have got a special fastener type. That's a sticker to let you know. And this is the mounting bracket. So the wood, we're going to mount the wood. We're going to mount this bracket with these screws. These are countersunk screws. And the back side of it has like a seal to keep it weather tight. Okay, so in the app, click the three little lines up at the top under devices. These are all your devices. We want to set up a device down at the bottom. And it's a doorbell. All right, you're gonna say I'm ready to scan, and it's found right here on the back. Whoops, that cable's not really long. There is this. You're gonna point your camera now and scan that QR code. All right, it's walking us through some things. We want to make sure that remove that. That's to make sure you're using the right screws to hold that in place. We want to remove all the protective film. So this has some tape over to protect the cameras. We want to get all of that off. There's the actual camera. Make sure that's nice and clean. Looks like the microphone's right there. Now you don't have to use the built-in battery. You can connect this to low voltage. Like if your doorbell, you had an existing doorbell there with 8 to 24 volts AC, you can connect the wires right there. But I'm going to be using the battery part. Now it looks like they give you an extra screw. As you walk through it on the app, it's going to ask you to press this little button right here. And then
now connected to the Ring app.
That's going to circle white, and then it's going to connect to your app. Now you got to find your Wi-Fi and give it your Wi-Fi password.
To Wi-Fi.
All right,
just a moment.
Now it says it's connecting. I gave it my password. And it says success. Just a few steps away, hit continue.
Now installing an update. This may take several minutes.
All right, just installing an update. Now there's been several notifications about these screws. Again, these are very specialized screws. Those are what go in the bottom. The wood screws, these really aggressive screws right here, this is for mounting. So these screws are for mounting the bracket. You're going to want that up. That's like a hook for it to go onto, but don't put those through the bottom. So you're going to mount this, hook it, snap those in, and then you want to put these right here. And again, they do give you an extra screw. Then you're going to screw these in. Now they don't, looks like they stay exposed a little bit. They don't tighten down all the way. They don't go like in there or anything. So there. And then when you want to take it out, you do need this ring tool. Then you just pull it away from the bracket. All right, let's go over all the sizing. 5 inches up to down. 2 3/8 that way. Thickness wise, you're about 7/8 of an inch thick. The bracket, yeah, 5 inches. Same. The holes are 1 3/4 apart that way, and 3 3/8, almost 3.5 inches that way. And there's where the opening is, like right in the middle, right 2 inches. Again, it exposes so you could charge it And the whole time it's been updating itself. Okay, it is all set up now. Fully charge it, mount it. Now when somebody rings your doorbell, and then my Alexa device says someone's at the front door. That's pretty funny. Okay, so let's take a look. Here's the app. You can go click on at the front door. We can go tap to go live. And you can see there is, it's a pretty wide angle of view. So we can see. So yeah, it's a really wide angle of view. I can't even see all that with my camera. Now I can talk, I can listen, so I can hear what's going on. So that's if I want to speak through the Ring doorbell. This is if I just want to listen. Okay, so when it's normally just sitting there, it looks like this. When somebody presses it, and then starts the video progress. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.